Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change region on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to language and region. Okay, tap this. In language and region, you can see here the region is set into Philippines. So to change the region, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, so you can see the option and you can scroll down for more available region to your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, for my example, I set or I changed the region into Argentina. So you can tap the Argentina to set as a region on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And that's it, okay? We have successfully changed the region on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, can you comment below? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.